Wait, ask me again? What did you say?
Is she going to get my surprise?
She is going to get your surprise. What do you think your surprise is?
I don't know.
That guy was smiling pretty big. You think he knows what it is? What do you think it is? You excited, Abby?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to take a guess what it is? So? Take a guess.
I think I like it.
You think you like it? What do you think it might be?
A new piglet.
A new piglet. Let's take you out of here. Ooh.
No, I don't want to take
You don't want to get out? You want to stay in?
Mommy, push this.
Okay. Ooh. 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 Okay. All right. Any last words? Huh?
Abby.
Abby has last words.
I have last word.
What do you think?
Like in Times cartoon.
Huh?
In teens cartoons.
Cartoons? The anticipation is killing Mommy.
Mine.
What about you, huh? What do you think it is, Abby?
Yeah. A dog.
A what?
Do you think is a dog or a new piglet? Or a cowboy?
A cowboy? What happened to Cowboy? Do you remember?
She's gone.
Where'd she go?
I don't know.
You don't know where she went? You don't remember where you left her?
Uh-uh.
Do you remember you left her in a store?
Yeah.
Do you remember what store it was?
Uh-uh.
Huh.
But still, is it the mall? But we looked all over for the mall, but she's gone.
We couldn't find her anywhere, could we? That was sad.
Okay? All right, one more little bit. All right, I'll be by the other register if you need something. Julie's over here if you need something over here.
Do you need me to hold the baby? Hey, I can't see you.
You see me?
I can see you now. She... Oh.
Somebody has a surprise here.
Look at this nice lady has a present for you. Oh. That was very nice. You didn't have to do that.
Look at it.
What do you think it is in there?
Pull that one. There, pull it. There you go.
You go ahead and help her if you want.
Here, let me help you. There you go. Here, we'll just take that off. Okay. You can go ahead and rip it open.
You excited, Abby?
Yep, sticky thing. I think someone was missing you.
Cowboy!
What do you tell this lady? They found her after weeks and weeks and weeks.
Yes. She was a very good pet. She was very good. We took very good care of her.
Do you remember, Sophia? This is where you left her.
Would you like your ribbon? You want your ribbon? There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We have cried so much over this little animal.
Because we're all moms too. We're like,
Oh, I mean, we have thanked God for this little animal every night, and then we had to pray for her return.
yay, she came back too. She loves you so much.
All right.
Somebody's gonna sleep so good tonight.